All right, here we go. Third phase of moon. We just got a breaking news report of something strange over Utah. Take a look.
What the fuck is that? Back, open the mountain. Backyard.
I am. Holy shit, something just blew.
Bam. Did you see that? Could this be what just created this phenomenon over the skies over Utah? This just happened November 22nd, 2017. Breaking news. This is happening big time, and we're hearing the reactions of the people behind what they just experienced. This happened 7:16 p.m. tonight. Anybody know? Anybody's been in this area? You contact us, Third Phase Moon, and start giving us your video. Have you seen this? Is this really happening? We're getting information that this was an event that happened tonight, or is this something out of this world? Is this something otherworldly or something CERN's creating? You hear the dogs in the background. They seem to be aware of what's going on. That was huge. Listen to this guy. He knows that something sketchy just went down, and he says he needs to get out of here. This is crazy footage.
I am. Holy shit, something just blew. Holy. Looks like I'm going home early tonight. Oh.
Some people are actually speculating, could these lights in the sky, these CERN projections, be causing these explosions on the ground? Did we just witness that? All right, we're taking a look and we're finding out this is coming in from That Is Impossible YouTube channel. We're seeing if this is a legitimate report. We're leaving the link below. Take a look for yourselves. All right, we're standing by in Hawaii. This is breaking news. We want to find out what just happened in Utah. Subscribe. We'll see you again very soon.